Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to make an app that converts your age into hours. So I'm going to show you how to make it. So first you take the theme. Theme is your wish. I prefer, let me check what is two-tone. No, two-tone is not nice. I will take dark theme, that's nice. Dark theme. Okay. Now we put the button first. Button you press calculate. Yeah, calculate. Increase the width. Increase the height. Increase the font size. Just little. Now our button is ready. Now we'll put label. Just we put this side. Enter your age. So small. Increase it until the corner. Now look where this thing comes. Now just go down. Font size. Increase it. Enter your age. Is not that good. No. Yeah. Enter your age. Now we put text input here. Text input, you don't need to write anything. That's a placeholder. You don't need to write anything. Calculate the button. Now here, take one more label. Put it here. Now you should write here age in hours. Yeah. Increase the width. Increase the height. Our designing is ready. Now go to code. Now we'll do the coding. On event will be button 1. Click only. Now we'll put set text. ID will be text input 2. We go to math. Put it here. Have to put it here. Go to math. Take this overlapping. Then we write here 365 and here we'll write 24. Okay, now we'll check run and check. Yeah, answer in our spaghetti. So this is the answer. I'll show you one more. And that's all for today. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe to see my latest update. Bye bye. See you in the next video.